my wonderful booksters. I'm sorry it has been so long that I couldn't make any videos for you. But now I am free, so I'll be making some more videos. And it's the best time of the year, Christmas! Today we are going to be making a card for Santa Claus. You don't need to make this card. You can make maybe this. And the things you will need to make this artwork is a paper so you don't put any marker or paint on your table, and a black marker, some paintbrushes, some paints, and of course markers. And Merry Christmas, everyone! Let's get started! We're going to start off by painting our background. You can do any patterns or colors you like, and I'm going to be painting in straight lines. You can do diagonal lines or lines like that. And don't forget to keep dipping your brush in the water so it can get clean. When the background was dry, I moved on painting the snow. I used the paintbrush to paint the snow, but you can also use a Q-tip. You can put less snow or more snow. I put lots of snow. While your painting is drying, we can move on drawing the penguin. First, you'll draw the penguin's hat, and you can make a pattern on it even. Then you can do its face. And I will make its eyes with big black circles, and I drew little circles in the big eyes. Then I will do the penguin's nose and its little rosy cheeks. Next, we're going to draw the penguin's scarf, and you can even make a pattern on it. And then we'll do its body and its feet. Then you can do its arms, and I made mine saying hello, and you can do any other movements you also like. Now I'm using the same black marker to color the black parts of the penguin. Now to finish up the penguin, we can color it with markers. I used red and green for the Christmas theme. I used some safe scissors to cut out the penguin. I have a piece of colored paper that I folded in half, and now I'm gonna glue the background and put it on the front cover of my card. Then I'm going to glue on my penguin on the background. And we are done! This is your beautiful Christmas card! This is the end of the video. I hope you had fun, everyone. And don't forget to like and subscribe this video and watch other videos on my channel. Bye, everyone.